Welcome to the Explainer. Today we're going to unlock the secrets to becoming, well, 10x more productive at work.
So let's just kick things off with a question that really gets to the heart of modern work, right? How can we do more, do it better, and do it faster? I mean, what if you could have a tireless assistant helping you do just that?
Well, in this explainer, we're going to walk you through a really practical toolkit of AI power-ups. And these are things you can start using right away to seriously boost your performance.
Okay, first up, let's tackle what is probably the biggest time sink for most of us, research. We're going to look at a tool that can literally turn days of work into minutes.
Okay, so meet Grok. Instead of spending days, or let's be real, sometimes weeks, searching and compiling and analyzing information, I want you to imagine getting a comprehensive, professional-grade report in just a few minutes. And using it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You go to the website, give it a really detailed prompt about what you're looking for, and then you hit the magic button, Deep Search. That little toggle is the key to unlocking its full potential.
And here is the magic in action. On the left, you can see the input, a detailed prompt asking for a report on the future of jobs. And on the right, you can see just a little piece of the output, a structured, data-rich analysis that's pretty much ready to use.
And this table? This just brilliantly illustrates the kind of deep, data-backed analysis Grok can spit out. I mean, just look at this summary. It's not just a wall of text, it's synthesized data, presented so clearly. For instance, look at the contrast between AI specialists with projected growth up to 82% versus the decline in administrative roles. I mean, this is the quality of work that used to take a whole team of people to produce.
All right, so let's move on to our next power-up. This next tool is all about unlocking the knowledge that you already have. You know, the stuff that's just sitting in your own files.
Say hello to NotebookLM. You can basically think of this thing as your personal analyst for all your own documents. It lets you analyze your PDFs, text files, web links, even audio files to find those hidden insights and connections that you might have missed otherwise.
And it's super simple to get started. You just create a new notebook, and then you feed it your documents, links, or files, either from your computer or you can connect it right to your Google Drive. And just like that, you've created your own personal, intelligent knowledge base.
And the range of content you can use is just fantastic. You can upload almost any type of file to have it analyzed, creating a single intelligent space for all of your most important information.
Okay, but this is where NotebookLM becomes a total game changer. Once your information is in there, you can transform it with a single click. So for example, you could turn a really dense research paper into an audio summary for your commute, or a bunch of meeting notes into a mind map to see all the connections. It's all about turning that static information into dynamic, usable knowledge.
All right, so now that you have your research and analysis covered, let's look at 2 bonus tools that are going to supercharge your entire workflow. Have you ever wondered which AI model actually gives the best answer for your specific question? It can kind of feel like a guessing game, right? Well, Multi lets you just ask them all at the same time. You just type one prompt and you get side-by-side results from all the top models. This lets you compare and contrast their outputs instantly, which means you always pick the highest quality response for your needs.
But what if the real bottleneck isn't the AI? What if it's the way you're giving it instructions? All of that typing can really slow down the flow of ideas.
This simple but really powerful phrase, well, that's the promise of our final bonus tool. So, this is Wispr. It's a fantastic AI-powered dictation tool that just removes the friction between your thoughts and the written word. You just speak naturally, and it captures your ideas as clear, polished text in whatever application you happen to be working in.
Okay, so let's bring this all together and see how this new toolkit creates a really seamless and powerful workflow.
So here it is, your new 10x workflow. You start by capturing your thoughts effortlessly with your voice using Wispr. Then you use Grok to do all the heavy lifting of research. Next, you bring in your own expertise with NotebookLM. And finally, you use Multiple to make sure you have the absolute best possible output. See, this isn't just a set of tools. It's a complete, integrated workflow for that 10x productivity boost. The power is in your hands now. We've shown you the tools to become 10x more effective. And so the only real question left is, what are you going to build with it?